The VW Tiguan key fob, used from 2007 through the latest 2025 models, relies on a CR2032 coin cell battery. To replace it, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool and a new CR2032 battery. First, locate the small screw or snap fit on the fob. For older models, 2007 to 2020, gently pry open the seam with the screwdriver. Newer models, 2021 to 2025, might require a coin to twist the back cover. Once open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery, noting the positive plus side orientation. Then, insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side up. Make sure it's properly aligned. Lastly, reassemble the case, ensuring it snaps or screws back together securely. After replacing the battery, test the fob by pressing the buttons to verify it locks and unlocks the car. If it doesn't work, reprogram the fob via the Vehicle Settings menu located in your car's user manual. Automotive key technology trends are moving towards energy-efficient circuits, extending battery life to 2 to 3 years in newer models. Future designs may include battery-free fobs powered by kinetic energy or NFC, potentially eliminating the need for coin cells. Experts recommend using reputable brands like Energizer for the CR2032 battery to ensure reliability.